Okay, dear teachers, this is a video, very short video I'm making to help you with the process of um, uploading the information and also registering the information in relation to the comprehensive tests in 2023. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm opening this circular letter, which is the DVMACCIR 0012002223. This one is in Teams in the file section of our team. Um, so you scroll down, and at the very end of the circular letter, you're going to find two links. One link, the first is for getting in, for entering, registering, and entering the platform. So I'm going to get in there first because I just want you to see all of the process. Then a screen like this is going to open. Then you go to Office. You click out on Office. Then, well, you say yeah. We're going to upload the invitation. Then the first thing you have to do is to download the Excel template. So you download the Excel template. Then you're going to save it, and you can send it to any folder. It usually appears in or it goes straight to downloads. I already did it. And well, then you go to downloads or wherever you have as a default folder for downloads, and you're going to have something like this, registro de prueba accesible. This, you're going to, well, do double click and open it. Okay, and there we have this, right? This is uh, the original document. Okay, then let's say that you have you're teaching first cycle in a school, and in that school you have two groups per level. So you have two groups in first grade, two groups in second grade, and two groups in third grade. And you want to have everything in only one doc. So you go down here, and there are several ways to do this. The first thing we have to do is to change the name, to rename the doc. So you can do it in two different ways. You can just double click, and it's going to give you the chance of edit the text. Or you can right click, and you're going to have this conversation chart, and you can go to change name. It's basically gonna do the same thing. I'm going to make this one group 1-1. Okay, then you enter, and there you have it. The name of this sheet, now it's 1-1. Good. Okay, now I need a 1-2. I also need a 2-1, a 2-2, a 3-1, and a 3-2. How do I do it? I just do it this way. I just put this the arrow right on top of on the numbers of the group. Then I right click. Now I'm going to have something uh, the that's called a move or copy. It depends on the version that you're using. We're going to create a copy. You have to check this cell, so you create a copy and you go aceptar. And then, as you see, we have the second version. It's important that before you do this, that before you create this, you have not included any information here, because if you include the information of your group, 35 or 30 students with all the information, the score, the description of their performance, and the actions that you're going to take, all of this, if you duplicate, if you go here and you go copy, and then you create a copy, if you do this, then you're going to have the information double, and you will have to start first deleting the information. So do this, make as many sheets, as many groups as you have before entering any information. When they are here, it doesn't matter the order they appear because you can move them. You can just take it and move it here. So to do this, I just double click here, which is the fastest way. And I change the name of the group to 1, 2. Good. Now I have a sheet for 1, 2, and a sheet for 1, 1 and 1, 2. I'm sorry. Okay, I need to make to 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, and 3, 2. So I just go here again. I move or make a copy. I have to check the cell because if I don't check it, I'm going just to move them. Okay, then I move it at the end. I double click and I go to 1 and enter. Now I have 3 groups. Okay, then again, I make a copy. This is a case of, in this example, that is a group that has, or a teacher who's teaching a first cycle in a school that has only 2 groups per level. But if you have more groups or less groups, and it happens that in first grade you have 3, but in second grade you have 2, and in third grade you have 4. It doesn't really matter. You can include all the groups in only one document just by adding as many sheets as you want. So now I'm making the copy for 3, 1, and I'll just move it at the end so that it's in order. It doesn't really have to be in order. I mean, the information is going to be there and it's going to have the label. So whenever you want to go to a group, you just go to the little tab down here, and it takes you to it opens the group that you want. But I want to have it in order. So after I make the copy, if you see, the new copy is going to be at the beginning just because I haven't changed it. So I go here and I change the name. I pull it, I drag it to where I want it, and I go here and I put it where I want it. Okay. Then there is a chance that which you don't have to do that, and imagine that I have to create a 3, 3. So I go create a copy and I put it a mark here, move at the end, or move to the end, and you go accept, and you're going to have it here, right? So those are different ways to do it. If you don't have problems dragging from one place to another, you can do it like that. Okay, and down here, so I go to 1, 1, and I already have the results of my students in the comprehensive test, and I include the information, the names, last names, the scores, the descriptions. Remember that descriptions have to be very, very brief, and the actions for a recovery of this remedial. It's like a remedial plan. What actions you're gonna take. Remember to propose simple things, very simple things. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, because well, I really want to help you. I really want to help in this process. Thank you very much, and see you around. Well, of course, at the end you save your changes, right? So thank you very much, and see you around.